which happens to be the beginning of my name, Mazi. You can't forget it. You borrow the beginning of money. You can't forget it. You add the borrowed word. Now, I always ask my students, what are your names? And I hear people say, Chima, Chimwike, Chimaroke, all the Chi's. I just say, good. Then my name is, when I use C now, somebody in my class will be Chim. Everybody repeat after me. Abu Chimma. Everybody. 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 Now, if you have learned to say Abu Chimma, whatever your name is, you can just substitute it. What they call substitution. Abu Mazi. Abu Mazi. Everybody. Abu Mazi. Now you can now put your name. Whatever your name is. Abu Mazi. Abu Mukoroba. Abu Chije Chika Ogaya. Abu Chinyerewe. All the names you can. You have learned people using ABC right now. Borrowing this word. Alright? Everybody knows that? Another one to start learning Igbo is which is what? Everybody say The Anambra will say Afa. Everybody say Afa. Afa. Now you go. Afa. Now you say. Now everybody say Ahambo. Now use your chima again. Afambu Shimaroke. Afambu Chidon Afambu whatever she, right? Now after you let that, you can substitute your name. That's how a kid can know his name. Afambu Emeka, Afambu Chijoke, Afambu Mazo Wuna. That's how I say it. Now the next thing is in Afa. Everybody wants something. Everybody wants something. I teach the kids, please use Achoram. And I'll tell them, please be respectful. Because if you're talking to your parents, by using the second word, the second B, the most popular B, I teach my kids, Biko. Okay? Now, for respect purposes, Biko, but you can start with Achoram, Biko, Achoram. Now, when I ask the kid, what do you want? They always say, money. Biko, Achoram, Ego. Everybody, Achoram, Ego. Everybody, Achoram, Ego. Achoram, Ego. I do too. Everybody wants Achoram, Ego. Now, the kids are learning Igbo fast, right? Now, tell them the most popular D. D is to greet somebody. And I know what they call Dalo. Everybody, Dalo. Then I said, they know Dalo. Then they can say Dalo Yankuzi. Everybody. Dalo Nanana. Everybody. Dalo Nanana. That's what I teach for the kids. Now, I teach them this. You gotta know where you come from. Start with Sim Mbise. Esim Abia State. Esim everywhere. Esim America. Everyone say Esim. With all these 5 words, in less than 1 hour, my kids will go on speaking Igbo. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to clap for yourselves. You have been good students. You have been good students, okay? Now, my guys, please come over here. All good students, can you come now? Microphone, give me a microphone too. Yeah, give me a microphone. All my children, come out here, please. Don't be shy.